Today, we're taking a closer look at the 2025 Chevrolet Bel, a sleek and innovative vehicle that blends modern design, advanced technology, and solid performance. Whether you're considering upgrading your current ride or simply curious about what Chevrolet has to offer this year, let's dive into the details, starting with the design. The 2025 Chevrolet Bel stands out with its bold, dynamic exterior. The front grille has been redesigned to give it a more aggressive and modern look, while sharp lines along the body give it a sense of motion, even when the car is standing still. The car is built with aerodynamic efficiency in mind, which not only enhances its appearance, but also contributes to better fuel efficiency at highway speeds. Available in several colors, the Bel offers a mix of sophisticated hues, making it an attractive option for a wide range of buyers inside. Chevrolet has focused on comfort and tech integration. The cabin is spacious, with premium materials used throughout, providing a refined feel. The dashboard is dominated by a large, user-friendly touchscreen interface that supports both Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, making it easy to stay connected on the go. Additionally, the Bel comes equipped with an upgraded sound system, ensuring that your music or podcasts always sound crisp and clear. A major highlight is the intuitive layout of controls, which ensures drivers don't feel overwhelmed by buttons and switches. You'll also find ample legroom and headroom, making long trips comfortable for passengers in both the front and rear seats. Now, let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel is powered by a choice of engines that balance power with efficiency. The base engine is a turbocharged four-cylinder, delivering a solid amount of horsepower while maintaining impressive fuel economy. For those who crave more power, there's an available V6 option, which provides an extra punch on the highway and can easily handle passing maneuvers or spirited driving. The vehicle's handling is responsive, and it feels stable on the road, whether you're cruising through the city or tackling winding country roads. The Bel's suspension system has been tuned to strike a perfect balance between comfort and performance, ensuring a smooth ride. Safety is a top priority in the 2025 Bel. It comes with a host of advanced driver assistance features, including lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, automatic emergency braking, and blind spot monitoring. These systems work together to create a safety net around the driver and passengers, offering peace of mind during everyday commutes or longer road trips. When it comes to pricing, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel starts around $28,000 and for the base trim. Of course, depending on the configuration and options you choose, the price can rise up to around $40,000 and for higher trims and added features. Overall, the 2025 Chevrolet Bel is a well-rounded, stylish, and safe option in the mid-sized sedan segment. It combines modern tech, solid performance, and a comfortable interior in a way that appeals to a wide variety of buyers. Whether you're after a car that looks good, drives well, or offers peace of mind, the Bel checks a lot of boxes.